I never made it, but I know I am mixed up emotions. I'm my statement, and I'm out of this world. And right.
Hi guys, what's going on? Night Breeze here. Sorry that I haven't uploaded any video recently, but finally today it is. Today I will share with you how to hiking to the Tai Tam Mount waterfall hiking. If you haven't tried this wonderful place before, please follow with me to discover everything here. Before sharing with you how to get to this wonderful destination, please help me to smash the like button, guys. That will be help me a lot for generate more video for you. Just now I'm in the starting point of the hiking. First of all, I would like to share with you how to get to the starting point by you just taking the MTR to say one whole station. After that you get the exit A. In front of the exit A you can see that there is one bus number 14 which is going to Tai Tam Mount, and then after that you just get off from the bus, guys. You need to retrace, just walk back from the way of the bus, and after that you can see that there is a starting point right there, and you just inside the starting point. That is our hiking trail. This hiking is particularly short. It's only about 20 to 25 minutes from the starting point, so you can enjoy more time for swimming. Hiking, you need to bring a lot of water to make sure you enough water for the hiking. If you're hiking in the waterfall, there is sometimes you need to walk in the water like this, same as me, to get to the main fall. So the view here is always the awesome, guys. Very awesome here. Waterfall hiking is always the best choice. Sometimes if you don't bring enough water, you can drink in this water, guys, because this also a fresh water, so you can drink. But to make sure, you need to make it clean first, and after that looking inside, make sure you need to take the water and look inside. There is no any problem, no have any bacteria, so you can drink the water. Hi guys, finally we have reached to the main waterfall, and here it is. Guys, there's nothing better than dive into a water after a long time of hiking. You can enjoy one day here. This is really awesome. Tai Tam Mount waterfall hiking is always a best choice for you. If you like the video, just help me to click like, share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. That will help me a lot to generate more wonderful video for you in the future. Thanks a lot, and ta-ta for now. Hi guys, the water is so cool. It's so amazing here.